Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this absolutely beautiful 2018 Honda Accord EXL. This has a 2.0 turbocharged engine, the same turbocharged engine you find in the Civic R. It's detuned a little bit for Accord duty. Instead of making 300 horsepower, it makes 250 horsepower, but still very quick. I took this thing for a ride around the block and it is very, very fast. A new 10-speed automatic helps make most efficient manner of all that horsepower and is great for fuel economy. I think it does right around 34-35 miles per gallon on the highway. Keyless ignition with push button start. Beautiful interior. The Honda Accord had a complete ground up redesign for 2018 and it's better than ever. This interior is absolutely beautiful. I'm very impressed. This is almost like an interior you'd find in a luxury car like an Acura, not in, you know, like a everyday commuter car like a Honda Accord. Of course, this is a little bit nicer, plusher model. Nice supportive leather seats, heated seats, blind spot warning. It looks like it also has lane departure warning, forward collision warning, as well as adaptive cruise control. You have steering wheel paddle shifters to take control of those forward gears. Updated infotainment system, rear parking camera, great sounding audio system. I think it said it was like 450 watts or something like that. It sounds absolutely amazing. That's a lot of ampage for a entry-level audio system. Doesn't look like it's any name brand audio system, so I was pretty impressed by that power rating. Really nice color combination in white on gray leather. White's such an easy color to take care of. And this car only has 2,674 miles at the time of making this video. So if you like the options and color combination, it's a great alternative over a brand new one. Nice smooth lines. Of course, I have the front hood open and the rear trunk open, so maybe we'll revisit those when I put those down. But it has a fastback styling, almost like a coupe. Lots of interior space. I'm 6'2". I had that seat comfortably adjusted for my height, and you can still see I have plenty of space back here. And even though the trunk might look like it's smaller with that sloping roofline, it has one more cubic feet than the outgoing Honda Accord model. Looks like we also have all-season mats as well as a cargo mat. That's almost a must for our wet weather. Carpeted floor mats, they get chewed up pretty quickly in our damp, nasty climate. I shouldn't say nasty, but it is quite damp. I love the Pacific Northwest, so I shouldn't say nasty. But we do have to deal with a lot of moisture. Nice front end styling. They really did a great job styling the Accord. Sometimes vehicles in this segment can be kind of boring and vanilla, but that is not the case with the Honda Accord, at least the 2018 model. That 250 horsepower turbo engine is very sweet. All right, let's take another look at that silhouette. Yeah, nice sweeping roofline, fastback, almost like a coupe. This Accord comes with a 5-day and 100% money back guarantee. You want to make sure that you're happy with your purchase from us. That's why we do that. If you happen to be an out-of-state customer and really like this Accord, we regularly sell vehicles out of state on a monthly basis. We do it all the time. We've already done a couple this month already. We can give you more information and get you a complimentary shipping quote. The out-of-state purchase is fairly simple. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.